In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all your LinkedIn comments on mobile. If you want a quick way to revisit discussions, monitor your engagement, or find something insightful you said in the past, this walkthrough shows you the updated, straightforward path to your entire comment history using the LinkedIn app on your phone. Start by opening the LinkedIn app and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Give the home screen a moment to load so your feed and menu options are ready. At the top left corner, tap your profile photo. This opens a menu that gives you access to your personal settings and profile. From that menu, tap your profile. You'll land on your profile page where you can see your headline, about section, and connections. Now scroll down until you reach the activity section. This is LinkedIn's hub for everything you've done recently, your posts, reactions, and most importantly for today, your comments. Tap Show All Posts, then look for the comments option and tap it. You'll see a preview of your most recent comments, which is perfect for a quick check if you're just looking for something you said recently. If you want to view your entire comment history, tap Show All Comments. That takes you to a full scrolling list of every comment you've made on LinkedIn, whether it was posted under your own content or on someone else's post. This list is organized chronologically, making it easy to scan through your activity and revisit the exact conversations you want. From here, you can tap into any post to read the surrounding context and continue the discussion. It's a simple way to jump back into a thread, respond to a follow-up, or reconnect with someone who replied to you. If you spot something you want to correct or no longer want to keep up, you can remove a comment directly from its original thread. Deleting a comment removes it from the conversation, so make sure you're certain before you confirm. This is also a handy place to check tone and clarity in hindsight, ensuring your professional presence stays consistent and on brand. A few quick tips as you navigate. A stable internet connection will help the activity section load faster, especially if you're very active. If your profile has a lot of sections, scroll slowly so you don't miss the activity area. And remember, reviewing your comments regularly is a great way to stay engaged, rekindle valuable conversations, and increase your visibility on the platform. And that's all you need to do. This updated method keeps everything simple and in one place so you can stay on top of your LinkedIn presence with confidence. Thanks for watching, and come back for more LinkedIn tips and updates.